Welcome to Fastlane Tech Training, where we simplify tech and sharpen your skills. Are you tired of constantly forgetting your password or struggling to keep up with all the different prompts? Don't worry, you're not alone. In today's fast paced digital world, common prompting mistakes can be a real headache. But fear not, we're here to help you navigate through these challenges and become a prompt pro in no time. One of the most common mistakes people make when it comes to prompts is using the same password for multiple accounts. Sure, it's easy to remember, but it also puts all of your accounts at risk if one gets hacked. The solution? Use a password manager. This handy tool will generate and store strong, unique passwords for all your accounts, making it virtually impossible for hackers to crack them. Another mistake that many people make is ignoring prompts for software updates. We get it. They can be annoying and time-consuming, but they're also crucial for keeping your devices and software running smoothly. So the next time you see that update notification, don't ignore it. Take a few minutes to update your device and save yourself from potential security vulnerabilities and performance issues. One of the most frustrating mistakes is accidentally hitting the wrong keys and entering the wrong information. This can be especially problematic when typing in sensitive information, such as credit card numbers or passwords. To avoid this, always double-check your entries before hitting that enter key. You can also enable features like autocorrect or predictive text to help catch any mistakes before they become a problem. And finally, the most important mistake to avoid is falling for phishing scams. These deceptive emails or messages may look legitimate, but they're designed to trick you into giving away your personal information. Always double-check the sender's email address and never click on suspicious links. When in doubt, go directly to the company's official website to verify the information. Remember, prompts are there to protect you and your information, so don't let these common mistakes trip you up. Use a password manager, stay on top of updates, double-check your entries, and be cautious of phishing scams. By following these simple tips, you'll be a prompt pro in no time. This clip is brought to you by Fastlane, your global IT training partner. Subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.